got this from Totok Mall, which is www.toktok.ph. Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we receive another package. So we're going to have another unboxing Monday. So without further ado, I'm going to show to you kung ano yung natanggap natin. So I got this from Totok Mall, which is www.toktok.ph. So this is a good opportunity that I will be sharing to you guys. It's a business, honestly, legit siya guys, and marami siyang pwede nyong pagkakakitaan, especially online platform siya. And what you're going to do, meron pa kayong online platform which is direct links na if you're going to purchase sa link, I can get a little bit of commission, but it will not really hurt your pocket because fixed naman talaga yung product. Meron lang kaming konting commission. So I hope that you're going to use the links below, and if you're interested to sign up in this business opportunity, it's really good if you're going to sign up kasi ang ganda. I'm going to insert some clips of you can be a showmaking franchisee, you can be a mangboks franchisee. Maraming business opportunity guys, and I'm going to place it here. I-check nyo na lang, merong mga links below. If you're going to buy something, your essentials, beauty care, skincare, lahat-lahat nandun sa Totok Mall. So you better check it out. And if magbubook din kayo ng mga ipapadeliver or magpapadeliver kayo, it would be good if you're going to use the link as well below na Totok delivery. So lahat-lahat puro ano siya guys, Totok Mall. Meron ding showmaking, and if you're interested to sign up for a franchisee of these choices, maraming store na open for franchisee, pwede kayong mag-sign up, and you can also message me or I can forward you to a specific team that will handle your concerns. So I'm super excited to share to you yung natanggap ko guys. I'm going to share it to you ha. Hindi to bias, as in legit siya, and I suggest, especially this pandemic, you can really earn. So let's open the box.
House music.
Ito na siya guys. Oops, sorry na ganon. So kaya nga super need natin ngayon, naisipan ko na it's good na we're going to have a mask, which is a copper mask that can really protect you. It's a layer of protection. Of course, we need to be careful, wash our hands, and as well, protection sa ating face, especially going out. So, meron ding copper mask, authentic, original siya guys na copper mask. There's a lot of variations. Meron ako dito. Ito yung mga laman, puro copper mask kasi I'm planning to sell it here dito sa Cebu. So, and by the way, shout out to my auntie, Catherine. Pinadala niya to and open to for if gusto kayong bumili. And if malayo naman kayo sa akin, you can use the link on the description box para makabili kayo. Sulit na sulit kasi authentic talaga siya guys. And tingnan nyo, super stylish. Meron siyang green. Iba-iba guys. May pink. Light blue. Merong violet. Oh, bongga. Merong gray. Oh, gray color. Ang dami na. Gray color. May green. Yan. May green. And my favorite. This one. Parang nude beige color kasi siya. Ito yung favorite ko. Meron pag ibang color dito. Tingnan ko. Merong dark green and light green. Siya yung dark green. Mas bet ko yung mga dark. Sana may black. And, yes, may yellow. Ganda. And, inside nito guys, is, merong manual. Kasi meron din ako, prior to this, meron akong mask na dalawa nito. So, ang laman ng box is, merong, 1 piece antimicrobial copper mask film nasa loob nito, and 10 pieces reusable non-woven fabric filter. 2 pieces seal sticker, yung nilalagay sa front and sa dito na banda sa ilong. And 8 pieces colored copper mask logo, black, red, green, and blue. 2-piece elastic string. So, yung nilalagay dito. Ano siya guys, super elegant and classy niya. And still, maganda siya for rampa. Huwag naman kayong rampa ng rampa kasi pandemic nga. And ang ganda guys kasi before nakikita ko lang talaga yung black, yung nude. But right now, they have varieties of colors. So, marami kayong i-choose. If you're from Cebu and malapit lang naman kayo sa akin, you can message me para makabili kayo ng authentic na copper mask. Or if you're kahit saan man kayo, nakaka-deliver naman ang Totok Mall. All you need to do is to visit the specific link below and it will lead you to the Totok Mall itself, to the copper mask directly na link so that you can purchase. And rest assured na talagang original siya guys. Super. Don't forget to check talaga mga franchise. Check all the links below so that makita nyo naman doon talaga lahat-lahat. Totok Mall is super legit na business if you want to dive into entrepreneurship. Maganda siyang startup na business. Marami nang natutulungan tong ano na to. So, I suggest that hop into the bandwagon. Hindi naman tayo nag-ano, no? But then, it's really good business opportunity sa inyo. Guys, ito yung mga shop na nandun. Hopefully, updated na sila. Maraming shops na collaborators ang Totok Mall. So, merong JC shop. Meron din kayo if magpapadeliver kayo, merong Totok Delivery. Show My King, very good business din if gusto nyo ng franchisee. And Boy Bundat, Mangboks, Copper Mask, Ninja Lons, and marami pang iba. So, check nyo lang guys. And enjoy shopping and earning as well. So, bye-bye for now. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my... Oh my God, chika. So, salamat and see you on Wednesday for our product review and Friday makeup tutorial and product review. So, stay tuned and please click the join button, subscribe button, comment, like, and share what you want to see in this channel because I really appreciate all your support and please help me reach 8,000 subscribers. So, bye-bye for now. See you soon. God bless. Saranghe. Mwah, mwah.